Hey, today we'll make origami butterfly. So let's get started. We need one square sheet. We will fold it into half and unfold it. I will do the same for this side also. Now we have a plus sign in the paper. Now fold it into a rectangle shape. Now I will give it a triangle shape by folding it in this way from both the sides. Now I will fold it into a small triangle. And make a curved line in this corner and cut it. Now we will reopen it. Now fold it in this way. We'll turn the paper and fold this corner in this way. And now we will paste it by using glue. As you can see, our butterfly is ready.